ladies, my name is Key and I'm back at you with another video. This video is sponsored by Bell Bar Organic. Today we're going to talk about how I pre-poo with Bell Bar Organic's new Moringa and Marula oil. This oil is supposed to be soothing and for sensitive scalp oil, supposed to calm and protect, lubricate your scalp. There are amazing ingredients in this oil, Moringa definitely being one of the main ingredients. I cannot hardly read these other ones. They're so tiny, but there are a lot of good things in this oil. So typically what I would do is moisten my hair, which I've already done. My hair is moistened, and then I will go in with the oil. A dropper, a half a dropper to a dropper full for each section, and then I would rub down from the scalp to the ends of my hair. I do this pre-poo before every shampoo. I think it's very important to pre-poo your hair. It just allows you one time to do some detangling. It allows your hair time to absorb the product and become stronger. I feel that my hair is a lot stronger on wash days when I pre-pooed before. I see less hair fall, and I just overall a better experience and easier to deal with my hair, if that makes sense. Like it makes it more manageable. So this oil is very light. It smells really good, just rub it on my nose. And it just makes my hair so super soft. And this is one of Bell Bar Organic's newest products. It came with the Hair Goes kit, which is a 4-piece mini kit for your hair. So if you have not tried it, I suggest that you do try it. What I usually do after I go through and put it on all of my hair is I go through and put my hair in a plastic cap, and then I would let it sit. Sometimes I pre-poo overnight, and sometimes I just do it for a few hours before I shampoo. This is going to create a greenhouse effect. It's going to lift the cuticles up so that your oil can be absorbed into the hair strand, which again is just going to prepare your hair to be stronger, ready to take on wash day. You will lose less hair. Your hair will be able to withstand more detangling, withstand the shampoo that you're going to use without drying it out so much. It's going to moisturize your hair. It's going to lubricate your hair so that it's not left stringy and stripped how it can sometimes feel on wash day. So it's important to pre-poo your hair when you can, when you have the time. Once you put your plastic cap on, I usually let this sit for an hour or two before I shampoo. Sometimes I do it overnight, and I will pre-poo my hair overnight the day before I shampoo. It doesn't matter either way. Some ladies also sit under heat with their pre-poo on. But as long as you have a cap on, your body heat is going to allow those cuticles to raise on your hair shaft and allow that oil to penetrate in and be absorbed. So again, try to incorporate pre-pooing on your wash day. It is a vital part of a hair routine that is healthy, a vital part in allowing your hair to grow, a vital part in allowing your hair to be strengthened. So again, you want to moisten your hair, you want to go in, saturate your hair with your oil, and then you want to put your plastic cap on and either sit under the dryer for 30 minutes or leave it on, do some chores around the house for an hour, let your body heat it up. But after I do this, I usually go rinse it out and then go right into shampooing. But again, I love this oil. It's very soothing for my scalp. It feels really good on my scalp. My hair feels nourished. It feels moisturized. So the Moringa and Marula Oil by Bell Bar Organic, I suggest you try it. It's good for pre-pooing. It's good for scalp massages. It's good for sealing in moisture on your wash days with your LOC or your LCO method. So you can use it in a many of ways. So ladies, let me know if that works out for you. Try it and let me know if you see a change in your hair. I know I see a change in my hair. It's stronger, it's healthier. It sheds significantly less on wash days. I lose almost little to no hair. And I owe that to pre-pooing one, using the oil two. There are ingredients in there that help with hair fall. Also, again, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I wish you well. Thank you.